everyone, welcome back to my channel. Halloween's over and it's time for Christmas. I don't know how I've accumulated so many Christmas decorations. Just a couple of days. As you can see behind me, these are all the Christmas decorations that are just ready to be put out. This is my second time decorating for the season. I did a small little dinner last year with it started with just like one small box like this, and now it's a lot more than I would have bargained for. I want to take you through all the different decorations that I have and amassed in the last 1 month or so. I was still setting up Halloween, but I wanted to also make sure that we're ready for Christmas. Let's take a look. So everything that I bought here, I'll be featuring in the links down below. Most of these lead to e-commerce sites, and most of these are really just out from China, but I also did get some Amazon specifics, and there were some very good friends that flew in some stuff for me from Europe, just so that I can have some nice different pieces for Christmas. Okay, we're gonna start, I guess, with the tree things first. And this year's theme, if you can already see all this red and white, is going to be candy cane or peppermint and gingerbread. So I want everything to be really delicious looking. I know it's been overdone. I got a lot of inspiration from these kinds of decorations that I'm like, hey, yeah, that looks something easy to do. Again, I don't live in a place where there's a lot of options for me in terms of Christmas tree. They're really either overpriced or they come very late in the season, so it's about time that I took matters in my own hand and start decorating early as usual. Let's go with the first box over here. So I've already I've ordered all this and I've taken them out earlier and got all these IKEA boxes to put them in, so I can clearly see and label them and take them out, and then clear Christmas decorations. So this first box, I've got the ribbons for the tree. Look at how pretty all this is. Oh my gosh. So this is like a 25-yard ribbon, and I've also got this candy cane stripe ribbon over here, and this one is about 1 inch in width, and I think it's about 5 yards long or something. I've got these cute candy cane garlands. Like, I've got 3 of these, and these are about 3 meters each. Should decorate my tree fully. Yeah, so I've got so many of these. And then this little pack of candy canes over here. I'm really going to use this to decorate the house. Kind of accent a couple of other different things around the house as well, and turn all this gloomy Halloween into Christmas. And the next box we're going to is going to be, let's see. Maybe let's start with the baubles. I've got so many candy cane baubles. It's crazy. Love it. Yeah, but most of these are going to be these medium-sized baubles. They're all striped and they've got like little bits of glitter, and then I happened to chance upon these snow cone ones, again with glitter and that same metallic finish. Then I've got like assorted kinds that kind of just give some definition and different things to the tree, and some different textures as well. So they've got like matte metallics and all those things in there. But what I really like, and what I really love, are these like oversized candies. Next stuff is all the picks. So I learned watching a couple of YouTube videos how you can actually just use picks and just to slot them in the tree instead of hanging them at the end there. So I've got these berry ones, and I've also got these green ones, which again, I'm not so sure if I'm using or not. But I've also got these red ones that should be able to complement the tree. Very pretty, but so freaking messy. There's glitter everywhere already, and I was just taking this particular box out. I'm gonna part this aside. Move over to these over here. These are really different kinds of ornaments. They're not the round bauble types or the traditional ones. And I have over here with the peppermint, you need to have small candy canes. So I've got these. Whoop, I've got different size candy canes, different shaped candy canes as well. Got a couple of those. More lollipops, and I love these different kinds of lollipops. This one is so much better than the other one that I have here, so let me just show you. So this was the first one, and this is stunning. This is really nice metallic sheen to it. I also have these plastic ones, which are in two different sizes. So I've got a big one and then a tiny one. I've got different ornament hooks to hook them, just in case that they don't come with a string. This makes it so much easier to hook things. Never had this in my childhood when I decorated a tree. Peppermint strips. The swirl ones, and then we've got this like wavy ones over here. Plastic candy canes, all shaped like this. They're gonna be so cute because the theme is, after all, candy cane and gingermint. I've also got this little gingerbread ornaments over here, and rat sweets. So I've got these in silver and also red. Different kinds of shades, different kinds of sizes too. And over here, traditional stars, but in the same color and theme. Some of them are like, I've got two of these wrap boxes here. So they all came in a set, and I'm just like mixing and matching things around when I decorate the tree later. And I've got this box too, full of different white baubles and red baubles here. Of course, I have warm white lights too. These were a bargain. These were like $6-7 for the whole roll. It's crazy. That's only about like 250 baht for this whole thing. But I also did get some large baubles. So the largest size bauble that was available to me at this point were these 8 cm baubles, the premium ones. And there was really nothing bigger in the market or available online that was already decorated. I went ahead to look for 10 cm and 12 cm baubles, and this is what I got. So I got these clear 10 cm ones that people used to put presents in, and they're about this size. But what I want to show you are these really gorgeous oxblood ones. So these are premium, what they call like premium glass baubles, and this is in the color of oxblood red. It's so gorgeous. These are about 8 cm each, and you can see this is already filled with glitter. Look at that red. It's gorgeous, really beautiful. And then they've got a matte version as well, also very, very nice. I also bought a white one, and the white one had the matte too, which is got a little bit of a gold hue if you're in warm lighting. But this is just like milk. I love it so much. Yeah. So they've got like tons and tons of baubles over here, even the ones that have that same stripe but just a different kind of shape, more 3D effect. I've also got some traditional glitter ones like this, normal looking ones like this, some bejeweled ones with pearls and strings and lace all attached to it. All different sizes of a whole variety of different baubles. And I've also just got some greens just to give a little bit of depth. If I plan to use the green, I may not. Who knows? Let's move on to the next one. Since I have a Halloween alcohol bar, I also wanted to do something a little bit more into the season, and I thought a cocoa bar would be a good idea. I will be setting up my cocoa bar a little bit later. There are still some things that I'm waiting for, some ingredients and some of the decorations, but I want to show you the main pieces that are going to go in my cocoa bar. And these are going to be this really pretty carousel themed jar over here. So we have two sizes. This is the large size, and this is the small size. And I'm gonna put some Christmas cookies or gingerbread inside here, maybe even the candy canes. And then I've got a very cute penguin jar too. So I've got two sizes of this. This is a smaller one. These were also quite affordable. These were around, I believe, about $7 each. And for my cocoa bar, I saw these on Amazon, and because of my Chinese zodiac, I thought, I really need to have these. These are so cute. So I'm not going to use them as what they're meant to be, but I'm going to use them as a decorative piece. This is a pair of salt and pepper shakers, but they're two mice hugging each other. So adorable. I love it. I have all these IKEA jars, and I'm going to label them. I've already pre-labeled them with what I want to fill them with. So there's like white chocolate chips, for peppermint barks, for marshmallows, and I'm also got these Corkin bottles, which I'm going to put different kind of syrups in it. So I've got gingerbread syrup, toffee nut latte, and also frosted mint that are going to go in there. I also have these pepper shakers, and I want to put cocoa powder in these, and then people can just dust it with, or maybe toffee nut sprinkles. That would be so cool. One must not forget tea towels when having a cocoa bar. I saw these on sale at H&M Home, and I thought these were so perfect. $2 each. My good friend Naz, she was so accommodating, and she sent me a link to a website in Amsterdam where she was coming from. She was making a stopover at Bangkok, and she told me that this website is called Blonde Amsterdam, and they got the cutest things. I was just in time for the Christmas season, and I got these peppermint plates. These were €8 each. So pretty, right? It's like all these are like 8-inch cake plates, and I got 2 of these Christmas candy cane glass. So these are so cute. I can imagine drinking eggnog in this. Love it, love it, love it. But the highlight of everything is this. I'm gonna bring it 1 second. I'm gonna bring it over. So I was so excited. I couldn't contain myself when I thought about this idea. And when I got all the pieces, I started decorating immediately. It has something to do with these peppermint pillows, which Naz also got for me from Hema in the Netherlands. I can't find peppermint rounds or peppermint pillows here. It's really annoying. I filled this in this big bubblegum machine. I told myself, oh my god, Asian me has to have a gasha machine. And here it is, filled with peppermint pillows and Hershey Kisses. And then later on, what happens is that when someone comes to my house and a guest comes in and they want a peppermint pillow or a Hershey, all they have to do is twist. And if luck could have it, you would get what you want. But it comes up in this cute gasha ball. Isn't that adorable? I'll send you the links to where I bought these as well. I love this one so much, and I'm gonna fill it with treats for every season and just decorate it. So right now I've just decorated it with a candy cane ribbon and a little holly sticker over here. One more thing that I got from Amazon that I really, really love, and I'm gonna keep it for myself forever, is this crystal candy dish. Look at it. You know, I thought it was just going to be like glass or something, but then when it arrived, they said that it's authentic crystal. Look at this, guys. It's so pretty. So happy to have it. A couple of wreaths here. I have some old Christmas pillows. These are from last year. I'm not going to really open them because I'm not too excited about them. I plan to make giant candy canes, so I've got these like large yarn pieces too. They're so comfortable. I'm wondering if I should hand knit or hand crochet a large blanket, an oversized one to get snugly with. That is it. And then we've got this candy cane wreath, which I think is still too a little bit green. Let me see what I can do with that. And more candy cane pillowcases. These are going into my room. I've also got my bed sheets out already, and I think I'll leave that for the Christmas house tour when you get to see everything. So that's just my Christmas haul tour, you guys. I still have so many things that I need to DIY, get the house ready for Christmas, stuff to purchase. These are all the small stuff that's remaining. What you see here today was all the big purchases that were done 2 months ago just to get ready. I'm so excited. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on my socials, and also hit that notification button over there. So see you in the next video. I'll be uploading new videos every week for Christmas. In the spirit of Christmas, I'll be uploading new videos every week. And I've also got a holiday lined up with my friend Fiona. So we're going somewhere. And I want to take you to see what Christmas is going to be like in that country as well, and then fly back to Thailand just in time for Christmas. So see you guys next time. So this is my Christmas haul tour, you guys. I still have so many things that I need to DIY, get the house ready for Christmas, stuff to purchase. These are all the small stuff that's remaining. What you see here today was all the big purchases over 2 months ago just to get ready. I'm so excited. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on my socials, and also hit that notification button over there. See you around next time for the next video. And as I decorate so see you in the next video. I'll be uploading new videos every week for Christmas. In the spirit of Christmas, I'll be uploading new videos every week. And there's also going to be a tour and I've also got a holiday lined up with my friend Fiona. So we're going somewhere. I want to take you to see what Christmas is going to be like in that country as well, and then fly back to Thailand just in time for Christmas. So see you guys next time. I'm gonna do something. See ya.